Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ChatGPT error something went wrong. If you're using ChatGPT and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to generate any answer or any prompt, so you see an error that something went wrong. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection because these type errors might help due to a weak network connection. You just have to make a connect with the strongest network connection. We can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, and if you're using ChatGPT application or software, so you just have to try to update that. Open your App Store or Play Store, and you have to simply search for ChatGPT, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your ChatGPT. If you find trying to update your app after updating, you have to simply go back from here and you have to retry to regenerate that answer, and it might be that your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you just have to open your settings app, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. After that, go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, open your general section here, go for iPhone storage here. If you are using any application, so you just have to go for or look for application here. Just look for ChatGPT. Once you find, select that, and you have to try to offload your app. Just tap on offload app, then tap on reinstall app. So if there will be any bug or any malware or they're full of cache, it will be cleared in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to use ChatGPT for web, or if you're using ChatGPT web, so I recommend you have to try to use ChatGPT application. So if you want to use ChatGPT web, simply search for ChatGPT here, and you will get the website here. So in this way, you can easily fix the error something went wrong on ChatGPT. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.